always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Median. To find the median of group data, use the formula MD equals LL plus N over 2 minus capital letter F all over small letter f times the interval, where MD is the median, LL is the lower limit of the median class, N is the total number of items, capital letter F is the less than or equal to the cumulative frequency, small letter f is the frequency of the median class, and I is the size of the class interval. We have a step in finding the median of group data. We have number 1, write the data into a group frequency distribution. The data is already given in a group frequency distribution. We are in step 2. Find n and compute the cumulative frequency less than. So, how do we find n? We find the sum of all the frequency. N is 30. We are going to find the cumulative frequency less than. Since n is 30, we'll start with 30. So we have 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3 is 27. Then we have 27 minus 5 is 22. Then we have 22 minus 12 is 10. And we have 10 minus 6 is 4. You will notice in the bottom that we have the same number. If we have the same number, it means that our subtraction is correct. We are in step 3. We need to find capital letter F. F must be less than or equal to n over 2. Since n is 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Look at the cumulative frequency. Look at the number which is less than or equal to 15. So what is our answer? Our answer is number 10. So 10 is our capital letter F. Already in step 4. We need to find small letter f, the frequency of the median class. So how do we find 12? 12 is the next frequency after 6. So we have 12. 12 is a small letter f. Or in step 5, we need to find the lower limit or LL. Look at the position of capital letter F and small letter f. It has something to do with the lower limit. So we have the lower limit. We need to find the midpoint of 8 and 9. That is 8 plus 9 divided by 2. And that is equal to 8 and 5/10. And that is our lower limit. In step 6. We need to find the interval. Look at our scores. We have 3, 6, 9, 12. You will notice that that is a multiple of 3. Since that is a multiple of 3, our interval I is equal to 3. We are ready to find the median. We have the formula. We substitute the given in the formula. Then we use subtraction. We subtract 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. Then we multiply 5 by 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Then we divide 15 divided by 12. 15 divided by 12 is 1 and 25 hundredths. Then we add, we have our median, which is represented as x tilde, is equal to 9 and 75 hundredths. We are already in example number 2. Steps in finding the median of group data. We are in step number 1. Write the data into a group frequency distribution. The data is already written in group frequency distribution. We are in step 2. We need to find n and compute the cumulative frequency less than. How do we find n? N is the total number of frequency. So n is 30. Since n is 30, we'll start with 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 minus 5 is 24. 24 minus 5 is 19. 19 minus 10 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. Look at the number in the bottom. So we have the number of 2. So since we have the same number, it means that our subtraction is correct. We are in step 3. Find f, capital letter F. F must be less than or equal to n over 2. If n is 50, that is 50 divided by 2, that is 25. It must be less than or equal to 25. If m is 100, that is 100 divided by 2 is 50. So, it must be less than or equal to 50. Since n is 30, 30 divided by 2 is 15. N must be less than or equal to 15 and the cumulative frequency. So what is our capital letter F? Our capital letter F is 9. We need to find F, small letter F, the frequency of the median class. What is the next frequency? The next frequency is 10, and 10 is our small letter F, the frequency of the median class. We are already in step 5. We need to find the lower limit or LL. Look at the position of capital letter F and small letter f. It has something to do with our lower limit. So we have 23 to 24. We need to find the midpoint of 23 to 24. So that is 23 plus 24 divided by 2. That is 23 and 5/10. We are in step 6. We need to find the interval. Look at our scores. We have 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. That is a multiple of 4. Therefore, our interval is 4. We are now ready to find the median. We have the formula. Median equals lower limit plus n over 2 minus capital letter F all over a small letter f times the interval. We substitute the given in the formula. Then we subtract 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Then we multiply 6 by 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Then we divide 24 divided by 10. 24 divided by 10 is 2 and 4/10. Then we add 2 and 4/10 and 23 and 5/10. The result is 25 and 9/10, and that is our median. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.